how to make these delicious almond cupcakes that I know you all are going to love. First, we will start with the things you'll need to make it. For the base, you'll need 175 grams of butter at room temperature cut into large pieces, 175 of self-raising flour, 175 grams of castor sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, some food coloring, in this case we're going to use red, blue and yellow, and some edible decorations. For the icing you'll need 175 grams of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 to 3 teaspoons of any coloring that you have, some icing sugar and some chocolate. We first are going to make the dough. For this, you'll need to put some castor sugar into the bowl like I have, and then we're going to put the butter in as well, like so. And then we're going to mix it together until it's well incorporated and you no longer see any granulated bits. Now that we have our butter and sugar well incorporated like this, we will now put the flour and eggs alternating. So once the egg is there, we put the flour like this. So now that we have the eggs and flour well incorporated, we throw in a second egg into the bowl with our second bit of flour, like this. And we also put in the baking powder. And we mix well together until well incorporated. Once we've whisked again our flour and egg, we add the third egg, like I have here, and our third bit of butter, and we're going to whisk that again until well incorporated with some almond extract, like this. Now that we have our dough divided into 3 equal parts, we will proceed to add the food coloring. In this case, I've bought yellow, blue and red, and we're going to mix it until the color is equally incorporated. After we have divided the batter into equal portions, we then dye it a color, any color. I dyed it red, which is the first color, and we pour it either with a piping bag or a spatula gently into each cupcake liner equally. So now we will proceed to pour in the next color, which is blue. Now that we have equally divided the blue mixture, we will proceed to pour in the yellow mixture once again by a piping bag or a spatula. Now that we've put our final layer of cupcake dough, which is yellow, we're going to proceed to bake them in the oven. So now that we have our cupcakes in the oven, we're going to proceed baking them at a temperature of 160 degrees for a time of 20 to 25 minutes. So we just click play. Now that we have everything ready, and while our cupcakes are baking, we're going to proceed making the icing. For this, we will need to put some frosting into a bowl and mix it with some chocolate, like this. Pouring it gently. And we're going to mix it with the hand mixer or whisk for 15 minutes. This turned out to be. They look incredibly tasty. Hope you've liked baking this delicious recipe with us, and hope you've had fun as well. Don't forget to like and comment this video and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to join us next time for more awesome recipes in this world of amazing creations. See you soon!
Click here for more happy moment videos. Click here for a fantastic playlist full of deliciousness. Or click subscribe to see more of this happy world of amazing creations.